Kitchen Gangers, how y'all doing? Merry Christmas, Kitchen Gangers, how y'all doing? Welcome to Moya's Kitchen, where cooking is love made edible. So for today, guys, I got my friends and my family just to send some Christmas greetings right across the world just for you guys. Thank you so much for your continuous support. So do enjoy. Kitchen Gangers, welcome back to another episode of Moya's Kitchen, where cooking is a love made edible. Now, this is our first episode of greetings across the world, and so I want to send greetings first to my wonderful husband, Odain Eubank. Yes, tomorrow we will be celebrating 4 years of marriage. Why 4 years? Yeah. And then I want to send greetings to my mother and my father, and also my sister and my nephews all over there in foreign. Yes, to my aunts and my uncles living abroad. And how can we forget sending greetings to all my relatives here in Jamaica and my friends? And how can I forget my church family and the Moko New Testament Church of God? Now, everybody, I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a happy New Year.
Hey, Kitchen Gangers, Fabian Robinson here in New York. I wanted to wish a very Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year to Moya and the Kitchen Gang crew. Also special greetings to my family in Jamaica, in Ukraine, here in the United States, and around the world. Prosperous and healthy futures. Futures? I don't know.
Fall on your knees. Oh, hear the angels' voices. Oh, night divine. Oh, night when Christ was born. Oh, night divine. Oh, night. Oh, night divine.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes. Just want to say Christmas greetings to you and everyone. Thank you so much for your support over the period of time that we have been doing this together. I appreciate it all. All the best for the season and all the best for the new year. Goodbye. Hold on. Pick up on a nice clean self. Until then, goodbye.
Nice.
Hi, Kitchen Gangers. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas and season's greetings from the entire team at Hopecast Jamaica. I hope you have a wonderful time celebrating the day with your family and that you will have a great new year. Just for you, here at Hopecast, we'd like to say we wish you and a happy new year. So have a good one and happy 2021 when it comes. Bye,
Kitchen Gangers. You know what, just a cook. Big up on a nice clean self. Merry Christmas when it comes. Also want to send a shout out to my parents back in St. Elizabeth, Malvern, to my grandma in Manchester, to all the Escarpment Road massive. I know yourself, big up on yourself too. And I hope you all have a prosperous new year when it comes. These greetings are coming from Jude's the Great.
Hello everyone, I'm Connie C. Walcott and I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Big up all the Kitchen Gangers from Moya's Kitchen, and I want to say special greetings to my family and friends. I wish you all the best for the season and I wish you all the best for the new year.
It's Ramon from me, yes. Yes, man, down in the bush. I just want to send you guys a big, big Merry Christmas and to remind you that it's a season of showing love and showing kindness and just giving. And I just want to send a big, 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 big shout out to my friends and family all across the world, all across Jamaica. And just to remind you that this is the season of love and the season of family, and that you should just enjoy every single moment spent with them. Merry Christmas. Love you guys. Bye.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Merry Christmas, kitchen gangers, and Happy New Year when it comes. I hope that everybody is keeping safe. I hope that everybody is social distancing and making the most of the Christmas anyway. I want to send a shout out to my family that's in the US, my family that's in Europe, my family that's here in Jamaica with me, and those that I will be able to see and those I won't be able to see this year. So have yourself a wonderful day tomorrow, well today, whenever you see this, and Happy New Year when it comes.
Guys, what's up? Merry Christmas and Happy New Year when it comes to everyone in Moya's YouTube subscriber list, and to everyone that we know, happy holidays.
Happy holidays, guys, from us to you. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I wish you all the best for the new year. You know, lots of love and prosperity and happiness and growth and all that lovely stuff. Yep. Yeah, enjoy the season, guys. Bye.
Merry Christmas, kitchen gangers. Stay safe and happy holidays.
Hey, kitchen gangers, how y'all doing?
Daddy not going away.
Daddy not going away.
Kitchen gangers, how y'all doing?
From the Mullins family to yours, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.